rainy days. Woo, woo. It's windy. The wind is bulky and thick. Raindrops are falling. Let's get in, or we're going to get soaking wet. Wow! Look out the window. Twinkle and sparkle. It's just like fireworks. Rumble and boom. Oh my! Let's get close to the window. The tiny raindrops go tap, slide, tap, slide. They are like snails running a race. Which one is the fastest? Glossy. The houses and trees are darker. Is the rain going to color me too? Let's go out secretly. Slide, tap. The raindrops are singing. The Raindrops Choir has a great voice. The rain's getting heavier and heavier. The people are hiding between the raindrops. Let us do the same. Yeah, I'm swimming in the rain. The rain has stopped. Look at this. I can see my face in the puddle. If I stand here, I can see myself. And if I step back, I'm gone. Rainbow. It's a beautiful rainbow. I love rainy days.